Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple tutorial on how to make cupcakes. This cupcake is soft and fluffy. I will start right now by creaming my butter and sugar to be light and a little airy. After creaming, you would notice that the butter and sugar would be too light in color. Afterwards, I would add some eggs into the mixture. After creaming, I would add the flour in bits. If you enjoy watching my videos, please like, share and subscribe. I upload videos on sweet and savory recipes. You wouldn't want to miss this. Now I'm adding a little baking powder into the leftover flour and adding all into the creamed mixture. If you need a quick, easy and super reliable cupcake recipe, just bake this recipe. It's time to add the milk into the mixture. I enjoy baking cupcakes because they are so easy and they look so beautiful. If you're using these cupcakes for parties, birthdays, you can decorate with a swirl of delicious buttercream frosting and any frosting of your choice. Line the muffin tin with cupcake wrappers and scoop the mixture inside it. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes. If you watched this video to the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell where you'll be notified of more sweet and savory recipes.